What's going on, guys? Chump Change XD here. Hope you're all staying healthy, having a great day. As you can see, I've been cleaning insanely around here. It's like nothing left. It's nuts. I used to have a whole bunch of tables all lined up, but yeah, they were just, I needed to change things up. Obviously, I need to finish the floor in here. As you can see, I ended it there, and most of you know I stacked it all back here. And it's just kind of making a nice insulated wall in between the grow tent and here, so it's not as loud with that L7 from MUSK miners running. Now, this 3D printed store is going well. I'm waiting on some plastic today, so I got a couple machines down, but I will be live streaming at some point. I usually just turn it on, camera on the light right there, facing at this guy, and yeah, that's what I got going on. So, thoughts, right? This down here kind of stinks because of the PLA, right? The smell of the plastic melting. It can't be good for you, realistically. So what I need to do is vent it out. And venting it out, I'm thinking about taking this 4-inch fan shroud. This one actually ended a little early because it ran out of plastic. It's supposed to be like another 1/4 inch onto the end of this. But I'm going to mount it. Probably what I was thinking is like this above each unit, or let me... maybe like that, at an angle somewhat, and then have a 4-inch tube go straight up the back and tie into my radon vent. So that radon vent, I'm a plumber by trade. I'm a master plumber. I actually plumb my own house. So that radon vent I did not need. That was a future thing that we typically do in all houses around this area. They end up piping them into the ground, into the French drain system, and it just exhausts the gases that emit from the earth. This was tested, and it's actually had low levels of radon. So it worked out nicely, so I can actually just cut a TY into that right there and run a pipe across the ceiling. Then I could just have a bunch of TYs facing down and have these sucking up the fumes right into the pipe. Would that work? Any of you guys think? Let me know. I think, honestly, I would have to remove this right here, and I could maybe just put 4 on the top and not even do them on the bottom. But what do you guys think in the comments below? I really want to know. Should I put one of these at each unit, or what should I do? I might end up putting a sleeve of plastic as well, like halfway down this, or maybe even all the way down to here when I'm not using it, and then I'll just flip it up and like put magnets on it or something to magnet to the front of this. I don't know. And then also what I was thinking with this thing right here, I could use the GPU risers fans with these white ring lights, and they could actually mount above each 3D printer, which would then give me some light, and it wouldn't be, you know, this bulb right here just casting a shadow. I want to do either some sort of strip light under here to light up this area right here. That way I can live stream it, and it's not like, you know, a pain in the butt with the lighting situation. That's just really annoying. It's always been annoying, actually, but I think the GPU risers lights would be a good little touch on each one of these printers. That's kind of why I was thinking to put one on each, but again, it's not really a huge deal. But overall, what do you guys think of this setup? Do you guys think it looks pretty sweet? I think the bins being labeled are a huge lifesaver for one, and then I got you know, this right here doesn't look like a complete cluttered mess where all those bins used to be. Now it's just, you know, all frames, and looks pretty good until the next bull run when we can start buying more GPUs. I got just a whole bunch of crap here. I actually got to go through and organize all these, and I got to get my other bins that my kids actually stole for all their toys while they took over my garage. So I might have to dump those out, bring those down here, and get all this crap off my desk. But I was thinking about putting this wooden desk over there. So this will be like the workshop area, and this will be like the, you know, recording area for me to work on stuff like the server, GPU maintenance, like things like that. That'll be in this area, because I actually got to rip down these walls too and do real sheetrock. I don't like this paneling stuff. I mean, it's all right, but it's kind of annoying. I just threw it up for the time being for my kids when they were down here with their playroom. But yeah, that's pretty much all I got going on. This X12 is actually not full at all, and yeah, I got a whole bunch of stuff. This is like the to-do section besides that over there. You know what? I actually do want to show you guys one other thing right here. I'm wondering if I should add these to the store as well. I actually think I'm going to. This is just a straight handle and a stand, and I'd like to know what you guys think about those. So this is, obviously you can see it in red here, a little easier. And then the stand, I printed one in purple just to be able to see that a little easier. But I think overall, picking up the ASIC with a straight handle would be a lot less pressure on the actual PLA itself. So these are very cool, universal handle and stands, but having a nice straight handle would be probably ideal when it comes to picking up the heavier units, because it would be a straight pickup, if that makes sense. So let me know what you guys think about these handles right here and just the bottom mount for the fan. Again, as you can see right here on the 120mm ASIC fan, just chilling. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about that as well. We have a few things coming up on the channel. I got to do some of these things right here. These are the copper and aluminum shims. I do want to test my 3080s, which is the reason for that OCTOMINER over here being open, because I have 3 for the wins. I have a 3080 Ti, then I have a 3080 non-LHR and a 3080 LHR. Obviously, the LHRs don't matter anymore, but either way, these are the same cards, and I would like to put the copper shim on one and the aluminum shim on another, just to see what the difference in temperatures are. I figured it would be nice because it's kind of the, you know, the same card overall, so I think that would be a good deal. So let me know what you guys think about that, the copper, aluminum, which one's going to do better. I would assume it's going to be copper, but it is pretty neat to have the aluminum. Also, I will leave a link to this company where I got these from down in the description below. No affiliate, I just whatever. Give them a thank you for sending those to me. But either way, guys, hopefully you have a good day. Sorry, it's just a rambling video. I'll get back to mining stuff in the next day or so. I appreciate you all for watching. Please stay safe, and I'll see you guys real soon. Peace.
As a crypto miner, you know you want your equipment to be high quality. Proper cable management is part of your mining rig, and the Veteran Miner has you covered. The Veteran Miner cables are created with the best materials to ensure they are of the highest quality. Our cables are made of 16 gauge tin copper, ensuring another layer of protection from oxidation and corrosion. We have different colored cables carefully crafted to suit your mining rig needs. Glued heat shrink is used to firmly secure the ends on sleeving and wires. We ensure our crimped pins are up to manufacturer specifications with our calibrated machinery. Our wires also have a non-looping design for not only a clean setup, but also for avoiding wire bending. Our cables are 100% made in the USA. The Veteran Miner is forward-thinking, always looking for new products to bring you. We support our products with a 100% guarantee. What are you waiting for? Visit our website at www.theveteranminer.com and get the best cables for your mining setup.